What's the meaning of bohrium? Bohrium. Bohrium.
Bohrium. Bohrium. Bohrium is a synthetic chemical element with the symbol Bh and atomic number 107. It belongs to the group of transuranic elements and is produced artificially in particle accelerators by bombarding bismuth-209 with high-energy nuclei. It is highly unstable, with its most stable isotope having a half-life of only a few minutes. Its chemical properties are not fully known due to its scarcity and difficulty in producing enough samples for experimentation. Bohrium is named after Niels Bohr, a famous Danish physicist, and its most notable property is its extreme instability, which makes it of little practical use beyond scientific research.